Welcome. Now you are watching top best-selling Lensnder clear silicone ultra-thin soft TPU case for 7/7 Plus 8/8 Plus X transparent phone case for iPhone 5s, say 6s, 6 Plus 6s Plus. In his video today I will going to show you top best-selling interesting light glow phone case for iPhone photo fill light artifact iPhone 7 Plus. Selfie artifact mobile shelf for i6. I promise you will happy to see this video, so watch carefully till the end. And don't miss to hit the subscribe button.
Let's go.
So if you don't miss the chance to buy this awesome products, click the link here in description.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.